channel. It's your girl Yannick and it's your girl
Leah Mackenzie
and Shelly.
So
Yes, so we're back today with another video.
Yannick Brown, Leah Mackenzie Brown.
So we're back with another.
That's what Cashin called me.
Okay, so we're back with another bang video. But before we get into the video, go ahead and follow us on all our social. That's Shelly Lisa on Instagram and Shelly Lisa on Facebook. And follow me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown and on Facebook at Yannick Brown. And follow Leah nowhere because she's on the social media. Don't follow her, go nowhere. Okay, before getting the video, oh, could I forget? So I have something awesome coming for you guys. Launching my online kids clothing store. That's on November the 1st. Please put down a date in the calendar. November the 1st. Remember that? Yes. And we have all the nice kids clothing for the Toddz. It's at ForeverToddz. You can go ahead and follow my business page. You can go ahead and follow my business page on Instagram. That's at ForeverToddz, and also on Facebook at ForeverToddz. We're having a pre-launch sale on October the 1st where you can pre-order. Grab the nice cute stuff them in advance, okay? So go ahead and follow my business page. That's at ForeverToddz. Yeah, perfect. So today what we're going to be doing, we're going to do Never Have I Ever. Yannick wanted to do this challenge so bad. From the first video, that's what I wanted to do. And I've been dreading it. Hey, I like those stuff now because I don't like people fasting in my business. It's just a fun game. So you get to know us a little bit better, maybe a little bit better and stuff like that. We'll see. So we have these little cutie little thingy. This is mine. I have. And even Leah have her. Show them yours. And I have not. So even Leah have hers. So she listen. Yeah, and then the other one. She get a feature in our last video. Yeah. She get see. Yeah, what?
He can come back.
Okay, go on people. We'll go and start.
If me text along, you're not send me in here.
Yeah. You see, guys, this is the struggle we have to do with filming with kids. So the girl look feature last video, and she takes it. And she takes it as we put the camera up. She find her seat, like she say, listen, I don't do no video without me now. You have to include me. So guys, we're gonna jump right into the video while Leah go on a bathroom break. So let's ask our first question. Okay. Never have I ever got a tattoo. You see, man, we start with the lie already. We both have. I have. She got one before me, anyway. And I won't say where's mine. I'm too fast. Me not telling mine. Well, everybody feels no. Mine there some for me right here, so. She love tell her reason now. Me not tell her. Right here, say there. Comment down below and tell me where you think mine is. Comment down below.
Come back.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
Come on.
That's okay.
Yes. So guys, she's back. The queen. Okay, next question. Ask or another question. Never have I ever stood someone up on a date. Yeah, depends where you talk about. Still. Like, never ever stood like you're supposed to go up on a date and you know about to go. Jamaican people don't really date. Then dating about not. Alright, you ever supposed to go somewhere with somebody and make up dates and you just stop at the turn up? What about that? Wait. Well, I have. Have you, Leah?
I have.
Leah have too. Okay.
I have.
Never have I ever had a speeding ticket. Yes. Speeding ticket. Speed walking with 2 foot. With 2 foot them. Yes. Yes, I have. Have you, Leah? No? Okay, okay. Okay. Never have I ever ghosted someone text. I'm guilty as charged. Lock me up. Sentence me life imprisonment. Don't let me out. I have
2.
Yes,
You have
Leah
to?
have to.
You know the text? You don't want to send a text?
Yeah.
She said she know, so
Okay.
leave her.
alright.
Leave her. I want to know about her. She knows send text. Leave her alone. Next question. Never have I ever given a fake name.
One thing, what will I do?
I Tanya.
Look.
Hi. I Tanya.
My name, you know somebody named Kim already. My
I
name Kim.
Felicia.
Like, what's your name? Kim.
My go-to name is Lisa, even though it's kind of close, but my go-to name is
My go-to name is
Lisa.
Akim.
yes. Hi Lisa. I'm gonna top give them. Never have I ever texted an ex out of nowhere.
A trouble, not trying people. That is something nice.
Have I? She lie. Me not lie. I have.
Look.
Okay, I have back in the days.
Back in the days, I have. So don't lie. I'm gonna put up but I have not.
A
No.
joke.
Or
Right.
lie said.
Just
See
cut
the
on the
Leah
back.
have to. You have Leah? So which ex you text? Eh? Which ex you text? Eh?
Check.
Okay.
I have back down time, back in the days, then time there. Alright.
Oh, never have I ever kissed and told.
Excuse me.
I have.
I have.
I have.
What have you not done?
I have. Like,
I have.
You kiss me?
So welcome to me, Dad.
Okay.
Come and like you.
You like me? Okay.
I like to listen. I'm trying to
Okay.
so
Yeah,
I never have I ever been refused entry to a club. I have not. Who wanna let me in?
Oh, wait.
Hey,
Okay,
that's
sorry,
what
now. I have not.
Who wanna let me in?
I have not.
No, they must let me. Who?
I have.
Never really
Come
go club
on.
anyway, so.
But who wanna let me? So I could ask. Of course, I let me in.
I have.
Never have I ever had
You
a.
me. I have.
Okay, you
Okay.
have.
Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush.
Oh, hell no.
I have not.
Never.
Look
I
on mine.
have not.
Look on mine.
Not that I remember.
I have.
I have not.
I have
Okay.
not.
Christian.
Never have I ever peed in the shower. Lie, Yannick. Lie, no? Lie. Lie. Oh! I have, and anybody tell me say
They have not.
they have not is a lie.
I have.
I have.
Not a lie.
I have. Who
Is it-
hasn't
They never talk to me. I talk to
talked truth and speak it?
I have.
I
Mhm.
have. Never have I
Lots of
ever
times.
stalk an ex new partner on social media.
Yeah, get too bright now. Yeah, get too bright. You
Come.
Get too bright.
Put up a card. Me not lie. I have.
Stalking
Me no
ex.
business. I have.
The
Talk
ex
truth.
woman.
New woman.
No, I know what them I talk to.
Like you troll her. You look on her profile and you size her up. I have.
I say, this, no, sir.
Me not do that. Me not do that. I don't do that.
I don't.
I won't go into details, but I have. So it's bedtime for Leah. So
She's not in that mood. And
she's not in the mood tonight.
When
So
she go to
we're
her
gonna
bed.
continue this video without her.
She
So
needs to go to her bed.
let's. Never have I ever gone out with a friend's ex.
With a friend's ex.
With a friend, you're a friend named ex.
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend. I must ex boyfriend.
No, I have not.
I have not.
I'm gonna do something there.
I have not.
I don't do
Never
those
have I
things.
ever fall in love at first sight. No, sir.
Fall in love. Well,
At
I have.
first sight. With who?
My fiance.
You see Sergio my fall in love with Sergio my first sight? You know say liar wicked? Some never hear that yet.
Because they don't know a story. We have a story. Such a beautiful and touching story, guys. They don't even understand.
Listen, alright.
Have you heard my story before?
Listen, you have been engaged for 1 year
Okay.
and and they have been together mostly for what, 2 years?
3.
Three.
No, over 3 years. Actually.
Over 3 years, and I've never heard this love at first sight story.
But always tell me story. She said that one next day.
Okay,
That's
so
the
listen.
next day.
Well, I've never seen anybody I fell in love
It
with them
is-
at first sight.
I always say that our story
Listen.
needs to be in a book or a movie because it's absolutely beautiful.
Is it a go on? I don't know what
It
that
is. It's really
But,
beautiful.
Okay, I've never fallen in love at no first sight because my spirit. I have to text my across this man. Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Never have I ever said I love you when I didn't mean it.
I have. Well, not
No,
no.
I have not.
I have. To be honest,
I have not. If I don't love you, I'm not gonna tell you.
I
not
have.
that. I tell you. Tell a plain and
Well, it's a
straight.
long time ago, so
I don't
do that
feel
anymore.
that way, and I don't. I take I love you very, very serious.
I also do, but if you always want about like I don't know, just for prevention. That's prevention. Oh.
Never have I ever kissed a celebrity.
No.
No,
Waste question that.
I wish, but I have not.
I have not. I wish.
If I had
Tom
one
Cruise.
wish,
Tom Cruise.
if
Tom
I
Cruise.
have one
Chris Brown.
wish,
Chris Brown. Chris
if
Brown.
I have one
Zac Efron.
wish,
Zac Efron. Zac Efron.
if I had one wish, one.
Okay.
Never have I ever eaten left. Of course, me kissed. Me stop. In my dreams.
You almost made me choke. I made up Belgian and me. Alright, yes.
Of
Where
course.
was that we had a kiss?
Never have I ever eaten leftover food from another table at a restaurant. How would this?
How are they going to do Jesus? Are they
People do
creepy?
this?
You never know still.
I have not. This is nastiness.
What else?
Never have I ever dine and dash.
What mean dine and dash?
Nyam at the people in the restaurant and live on a pay.
Oh,
I have not.
I have not.
I have not.
But not take me
Make
anywhere
sure when you're going out, you have the people money to pay.
And carry your
Don't
bag.
put your as mother said, don't put your basket where you can't reach it.
and make sure you have your get Vic's money.
Yeah.
Always when you're going out.
Yes.
Going out. Go on.
Never have I ever trespass.
Got people property.
Yes, I have. Me not lie. I go property me step cross over, go pick mango and June plum
Well,
and anything in here delicious. Like
I
as
have
long as the
not.
dog is there.
I have not.
You never trespass?
The reason why I never trespass, I'm afraid of dog. I'm the only people have dog in the yard. Even if I walk past somebody else, I'm afraid for one dog to run up a gate. So I'm not trespass at the
I have. I know what she but I have. Never have I ever caught my parents. I have not. Let's answer that. I have not. I'm not even going
Thank
here.
you, Jesus.
Blessings. Never have I ever cheated on a test or exam.
I have.
Everybody do it. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed.
Is cheating considered when you ask somebody beside you the answer?
What you think it mean, eh?
May I ask?
Them a let you answer for a while and back, you give them. What's that give them back? You bury.
Well, I have then. I have. What?
Okay.
What? So what? You never do what? We
Everybody
never do it. Like
do
what?
before.
Come from my back. Sure.
Please.
Never have I ever hike a ride. Me not take drive from strangers.
No, what is causes?
I have not. Me not take drive from strangers.
It's what name
No,
taken.
Mm-mm.
We
I
don't
have
take
not.
drive from strangers.
Never have I ever lied in this game. I have not. Game of fear. Me tell. I be a truth. Me tell. Never have I ever sent a dirty text to the wrong person. Listen. I have.
Really?
Yes. and I won't get into details, go down in the comment below and guess who I send the
Who do you
dirty
want to
text
know?
to instead. Just guess, probably guess. Like
Your mother? I mean?
if I you wouldn't know,
I may say.
go down and tell me.
I am mother, I'm going to say too.
Go down and tell me now.
Tell me
Guess.
I'm going to say too.
Stop asking, so go down and guess and tell me. I won't say, but
You delete it, like that.
I have. No, I have.
Just tell me.
Listen, if you guys want to know the story about that time and in details, say, comment below, say story time. Do a whole new video. A story time telling you guys about that
need
experience.
to hear the story because me not know the story either.
Go down below and comment, and I give you the juicy details of that text.
But I have not, because I feel like if I do, it's hopefully somebody that's right in my area, like when I see him also as me, so I can quickly just borrow their phone and delete it.
Well, that wasn't the case. Never have I ever had a friend with benefits. We still the funny story business. So all of this when I get you some.
You didn't even tell me after this already.
No. If you want to hear it, tell the people them for comment down below. Say story time. You want to hear the story? I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do a whole new video and get the expression on camera and everything of me telling you that story. Because it's so juicy. So tell them.
We will do that. So story time.
Tell them. Story time.
Alright, story time. What do I
Come. Never have I ever had a friend with benefits.
Basically, yeah.
Who hasn't? Young, wild, and free.
Nothing else, no relationship, just a little bit and do. Ready? Next
I don't know what to do.
Wow.
Never have I ever slept with someone whose name I don't know. I have not.
No, we're not together.
That's a carelessness.
Carelessness. Fire.
I have not.
Yes.
Never have I ever been to an adult store.
Oh, I have. I have before. One day I watch it.
I have.
When we used to go college, we just walk around there with things.
Never have I ever had a one night stand.
I have not.
I have not. I have.
Yeah, think. Why me I think? I have not.
Why are you thinking?
I have not.
Never have I ever been walked in on while doing the nasties.
For by who?
You know, said that's another story too.
Oh, Jesus. Boy, I have not. Come in. Walked in on. I have.
Somebody walking upon you.
But you don't see nothing. Don't do this.
I do the.
Like, it's like elephant. I just.
Listen.
We're not going to details with that.
She not going to details, but
I have. How much shipping is to work?
But you're talking the details anyway. Okay.
I'm not starting details, but I'm telling you where.
Okay. So that's the end of
the
video. So what we want you to do now is like, comment, and subscribe. Please guys, please remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notification so whenever we post you get notified right away. Not today, not tomorrow, not later, no 1 hour, right away. So turn on your post notification. And remember, go ahead and follow us on all our socials
right here. Oops.
And please remember the launch of my kids store. That's November 3rd. That's November the 1st. Put that for your calendar. And remember, October the 1st is for anyone that wants to do your pre-orders. When we post them on October the 1st, you can go ahead and place your pre-order so you snatch the nice things them before anybody else. Hear that? October the 1st and November. please remember, guys, to go ahead and watch our previous video before. Go ahead and like
the lime
them.
challenge.
Yes, the lime challenge. Go ahead and like those videos, comment, and
Subscribe.
Yeah, please
Help her reach your goal, no?
subscribe.
Subscribe
On the
to the
road.
channel.
On the road
to 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, 1,000 subscribers. So please shall advice out food, you know. My advice out. Hey, me go on bad advice out, you know. Subscribe.
You want me contact?
Don't bring me near banger. And we are out.